Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl, Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you another cash stuffing envelope video. So, last week, I do apologize, I did not get to have my cash stuffing envelope video for you guys, but I am back on track. So, today is Friday, payday for me. So, we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. I have my extra money container, which I actually had to use my money that I had in there. So I will be starting over. It sucks sometimes, but hey, life happens. So I had to dip into my jar. So right now it's empty and we'll be starting over again. So then I have my Betsy Johnson wallet, which is my favorite wallet. And I have my cash envelopes here, which is me time, household items, childcare, gas, and groceries. Then I have my checkbook, and this is just to show you guys that when you go to the bank, if you have never done this before, and you want to draw money out of your account for your cash, you will go to your bank, you will go ahead and write out your check for cash, and then of course sign it back and everything because it's coming from your account. And then you would go ahead and give them a paper, or you can actually tell them yourself, but I prefer giving them a paper since I well, this is a card that I made up since I always do it. So yeah, so you just go ahead and make you a card up. You can laminate it just like I did, or just a regular piece of paper, and then you put your denominations on here of how many, whether you have hundreds, 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s, 1s. You'll go ahead and put how much you need of each, which is over here. And then this is just how I do it. So anyway, so I have my card and my check, and of course your ID you will take to the bank. And then you will get this back, which is your coins. So I have all my money right here. And I forgot, you guys, I have not sang my song. So let's get into it. I got that cash for the video. I got that cash for the video. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I got that cash for the video. I got that cash for the video. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. So yeah, for right now, I'm just going to put this to the side. And y'all already know what time it is. It's time for me to moisturize my hands because they are dry. So I have my EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion, and it's in the vanilla cashmere scent. This smells so good, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. And if you guys want to see where I got this from, you can check the card above. And you will see my Target and Amazon haul video for body care. And you'll see this featured in the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me some and make it nice. And well, what am I talking about? Make it nice. It's very moisturizing and it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. If you guys have tried the EOS, any of their lotions, just comment down below. All right, so now we're good and moisturized. Excuse me, it's time to go ahead and jump into what I will be using my cash envelopes for. And that will be, oh my goodness, hold on one second, because I need to wipe my hands a little bit. Okay, I have me time first, and that's $20. And then I have groceries, which is $50. And then I have childcare, which is $75. Then I have household items, which is $10. And then I have, my last thing I have is gas for the vehicle, and that is $30. So if we add this all up, it will give us a total of 185. And since I am using my phone for this video, I'm not able to calculate it up. So if you do all this, it'll be 185. So that is how much that I have. So of course we're going to put all of our money in the correct direction. I like all my men to face the same direction. I hope everybody's doing well. Guess what, you guys? I reached my 500 subscriber goal. And right now I'm a little over that. And I'm so excited. I will be announcing, and I do apologize that I have not talked about my giveaway recently. I will be announcing the giveaway winner very shortly. And I will be sending that person something. And when I do make the announcement, I'll go ahead and let y'all know what they will be receiving. So we're going to go ahead and start filling these up. So I have, first one is me time. And I'm going to go ahead and just put, I'm actually use all of these ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to use 2 5s. So 10, 15, and 20. And that goes into my me time. Next I have household, and that's just going to be a $10 bill. And I forgot, guys, I didn't have anything left over from last week. Even though I didn't do my video, I did stuff my cash envelopes. Then I have childcare, and that's 20, 40, 60, 70, and 75. Next I have gas, and that will be 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. And last but not least, I have groceries, and that will be $50, which will be 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, and 4 5s. 35, 40, 45, and 50. So yeah, you guys, this seemed to be a very quick cash stuffing envelope, well, cash stuffing video. And I do hope everybody has a wonderful Friday and a wonderful weekend. Happy Friday, guys. So yeah, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video. And I will be announcing who the winner is this coming week. So everybody will know basically by the end of this month, because when we have, this is our last week of oh goodness, this is our last week of February, guys. I just can't believe how fast this month has flown by. I mean, I know January flown by, but this month has really flown by as well. And I know, you know, we have a couple days shorter, but still, it still flew by. But anyway, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video, and I love you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.